Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making a junk mail journal. And we're using Americana acrylic neons. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make a junk mail journal. Americana acrylic neons come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. See you next week.